Hello everyone, I will show you how to animate the content of a text in an animation in Blender, like this. Okay, if you want to know how to make this, keep in this video, okay? Well, the first thing that you need is come here to this page and click here, release, and download this add-on Blender. Okay, once downloaded, come here in Blender, edit, preference, add-ons, and click here on install and select the downloaded file. Okay, don't forget enable here and save preferences. Okay, well, now you can create a text and you can come here at the end of the data section, enable the typewriter effect and set here a character count in a very big number, for example 1 million, and set here in the source text a word that will be the name of a text block that we will to create next. Okay, so words is the name that we want, and we need to create a new viewport with the text editor and click here to create the new text block. Remember, the name must be the same. Okay, I will show you how to change a text in an animation in Blender. Okay, but if you look here, we have a hash character that is a separator of each text. So if I want to show each word separately, I need to put a hash in each space. Okay, so the first thing that we need is create keyframes. So here in index we will do a right click and insert new keyframe, and if we move this and change this index to 13, again right click and insert new keyframe, if we move this we can see how this changes. Okay. Well, this can be useful, for example, if you want to make a video lyric of a song, and if you want lyrics pre-render 3D, you can use this add-on for pre-render each lyric. Okay, I will show you an example with a song of my band. Okay, I have here a Visual Studio Code and I have the letter. Okay, this is the letter, and if I use the multi-cursor of Visual Studio Code, is a very useful tool. Okay, if I press Shift and Alt, I can create multiple cursors. Okay, and if I press End, I put a hash at the end, I have each lyrics. Okay, if I come here, put that lyrics, I have 30 lines. Okay, if I move this, I have each verse of my song. Okay, but we have 30 lines. Okay, so we need to come here and set the index 29 because the first frame is 0. Okay, if we have 30 lines, this must be 29, and don't forget insert a new keyframe. We don't need this keyframe anymore. Now, if I move this, we have all verses of my song. Okay, I will make some adjustments. Okay, so I will fast forward the video. Well, this looks very pretty. So we can build the entire animation. Okay, I will fast forward again. Okay, so this just finished. We can see here in the output folder each frame pre-render. So with this we can make a video. I will make a new video explaining how to use this in a project with Unreal Engine 5. Okay, I hope this video helps you, and see you again. Bye bye.